One day I got up early in the morning, got fresh, and I went to the worship. Then I saw many devotees out there who was worshipping there. And one of them worshipping very leisurely, very slowly, gradually. I like the way she's worshipping then.
No, I didn't get the last line. Who was worshipping?
One of one of devotees were worshipping very leisurely, very growly, very, I mean, very sincerely. Then,
Okay, see. Oh, what? How to start? Okay. See, as I saw her worshipping, I was just waiting to get her worshipping over, So I just uh, came close to her, and I just asked her, ki, maybe she may be older than me. So I asked her, Mataji, why you're so slow and slow you are praying, what's that kind of. So she just said that I just believe in too much in God. And sometimes I think that God is also talking to me. So that's why I'm very devoted, and every day I come to this temple to worship God. And she also asked me, "Hey, do you worship God?" So I said, yes, even I believe in God.
okay, very nice. And then we started having conversation that what is the right way of worshipping. She started teaching me that this is the way of this is the way of worshipping, and I like the way. And after that, I invited her to come my house to for having a cup of tea. Then,
Okay, you invited her. Okay. So, as even you had told me one day on the phone that I had invited this lady to my house and she believes in God and such kind of things about her, you told me also. So, I just asked you, did you ask Shilpa from where she belongs? Then you told her, yes. Then you told me, yes, I had already asked her name and her phone number also because I was too attracted to that lady. So I asked you to give me also her number so that I may talk to her.
okay, very nice. Um, and then and then she left from my house. And when I got to know about the lady, I tried to connecting with the lady, and but she's unable to pick up my phone. I was not able to speak the lady. After that, I started doing my working on my laptop, and I took my online classes. And then I and then I did exercise. After that, I went to my friend's house, and she invited me. We started having conversation. We had a cup of tea, and then
Okay. So you had a cup of tea. And as a, yes, even, even in, I feel like having tea, mostly in winters, I love to have tea in winters. And that too, twice or thrice I have in winters tea, but I don't like to have tea in summers. So, what I make in winters, a tea masala. Always there will be a bottle of mine in which I make homemade masala of that tea. So, one of my friend had dropped in my house in the evening. So that time I was having my tea. So she asked, may I also have? Yes, I told her, I'm going to make a cup of tea for you too. And while she was having tea, then she asked me that, Alka, from where did you bring this masala of tea? So I told her, no, it's my homemade masala. And then she asked me the recipe, how did I made it? So I mentioned the ingredients of that tea masala and she noted down and she was very happy to uh, receive that recipe of mine. Yeah.
okay. After that, she left from my house, and she she made the masala, and she tried again at her home, but she was not able to make the same tea as she she had in my house. So she tried call to me, and she started asking me again. Then Shilpa, uh, this my chai was not like the same that you have made. So what should I do at this time? So I said that don't worry. And then I said that you can come my house any time. I will make tea for you again. Then
Okay. So I mean to say you invited her to your house, right?
yes.
So yeah. So I invited her to my house, and she was very pleased to come once again to my house. And I mentioned each and everything. I gave her a paper and a slip of paper and a pen to write it down. And then there were some 6 to 8 ingredients that I made masala tea with that. So everything I told her to note it down. See, and she was very happy. And she also told me that when I will make, then you have to come to my house to have a tea. And definitely I told her yes, I will be coming. And after a week, she invited me, and I told her that I won't be coming alone, and my husband too will be coming to your house. And she was very happy to. And on the coming Sunday, she has invited me to come to her to come over for a tea.
Okay. When the Sunday came, I went there and she invited me as you know that she's invited me and I went there, I knocked the door, but one of her child came and opened the door. He started asking, who are you, ma'am? So I said the child that I'm your mother's friend. So the child said, come to my house, and she started asking to my mother. And then we started having a conversation, and she made the tea with the help of the same masala. And now now it was the time she made very nice tea, and I fond of having the tea then.
Oh, okay. So after having a tea, she asked me, will I accompany her to a mall nearby? So I told her, yes, definitely. Please give me 2 minutes to get ready. And as I got ready, so then there was a nearby mall, I mean to say close to my house. So she said, I have to buy 1 or 2 things, and will you be coming with me? So I agreed to go with her, and we went there in a mall, and we had a really fun time there. We had purchased some uh, kurtis and leggings for us, and jeans also. She bought two pair of jeans, and in the we had also what to say that जहाँ पर हम खाते पीते हैं, it's mentioned something like that,
Restaurant,
no,
restaurant,
not we say it's mentioned something else, we say food court, yeah. So
food
yeah,
court.
so I invited her. Let's go to a food court and as something as a because we had spent a lot of time in the mall. So we sat there and we had some cold drink also, and along with the burger and that kind of thing. And after getting refreshed again, then again we went down to purchase some more things for us. And and after that spending 2 hours in the mall, then we came back, right? And I invited her again to my house.
Okay, again to my house. Okay. She came to my house after 2 to 3 days and she started saying that, hey, why don't you make a plan to watch the movie? Let's go one day. So we made a plan to watch the movie and next Sunday we went there for watching the movie and there it was Shaitan movie was running. So magic. It was about the black magic movie. So I was quite interested, and I watched very consciously because I liked it so much. After watching the movie, we started having the conversation about the movie. Then
Okay. You mean to say you came back to your house and you started having conversation?
after come out the theater, we started having the conversation. Like we always say, how did you feel? What do you
Yeah,
think about the movie? How did you
yeah,
like?
yeah. So as we walked, having conversation together, as we came out of the exit gate, I mean to say exit gate, we could not find any conveyance over there to go back. So I
Yeah.
just made a call to my son and I told him to come and pick us, as we couldn't find any conveyance. So he came after 10 minutes and we were able to go back. And I told her to accompany me to my house. So she also came to my house again and after meeting so frequently, we both became so good friends and we plan to have a. She told me to, will you be my kitty member? So I asked her, yes, I will be, and she made me a kitty member of hers. And they were there. I asked her, how many ladies are there? So she told me 20 ladies are there. You will be the 21st. So I agreed. And on the, I think the next Sunday, next Monday, she told me to come to her house. She'll be having to start her first kitty. Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, ma'am. It was amazing program.
No, no,
And
no. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, we have to, by while talking, we have to change that something topic, yeah.
yes,
Not topic, I
yes,
mean to say, yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. And actually, it has been very amazing because we change the situation all the time, and we
Yeah,
try
yeah,
to think the
correct.
new creative.
Yeah, it's
So
very interesting one. Yeah, this kind of talking is very interesting one. Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah,
I like so much, ma'am. How
yeah,
are
yeah.
you feeling this time?
Yeah, very nice, very nice and refreshing, because every day we talk same kind of things,
Time,
Yeah,
same kind of. Yes. I
yeah,
always feel the same thing that we always imitate the situation. That
yeah,
I have
correct.
to learn English. Why do you learn this English? Ye, wo, fala. So I thought, why should I not use this chain speaking program to
Yeah,
learn differently?
yeah, it's very nice when, yeah. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it.
I also enjoyed it,
We,
ma'am, with you especially.
we started from the temple. Yeah, and we came to the kitty party. Just see.
We came, yes, we finished from the kitty party.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very
It
nice fun.
changed. But where we start, I don't know, and where we left, I don't have any idea कि यहाँ पे खत्म होना था.
Yeah, yeah, see, just see. Okay. Yes.
So it's very nice, ma'am. And now I'm going to say you that please have your tea.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I you.
Yes, मतलब चाय पीने से अच्छा है तो I had conversation with you. That was much
Thank.
better than tea. Yeah. Yeah.
No, no, ma'am. It's your time. It's your tea time. Please go.
Yeah.
Please, you can have the your
Yeah.
tea.
Yeah, I'm going to have. And very nice you connected with me again, So I felt very nice. Yeah.
Whenever I get time, ma'am, I will
Yeah, yeah.
try to
In
connect
the
with
same,
you,
yeah,
ma'am.
in the same manner, we'll be having conversation. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, I will be. We will be
Yeah.
connect the same manner. We will
Yeah,
try
yeah.
to connect
Yeah.
this way, but
Anytime.
we will think. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes,
anytime.
ma'am.
You're
Thank.
free. Yeah, yeah. You are free from 3 to 6 anytime. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will message you. We will
Yeah.
connect together, ma'am. It
Okay.
will be helpful for you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your precious time to me.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even your time is precious. Yeah.
Thank you,
So it's
ma'am.
okay. Bye then. Okay.
Bye, bye, ma'am.